The biggest problem is always space. You need to get innovative sometimes. So, and I think my experience in the material handling industry, helps, know what equipment fits where, won't fit, so, and what solution works best for the customer. We will receive the customer's plant drawing and work around, existing equipment, columns, height restrictions.
The more as time goes on, you see a project and you think, okay, we got to check for this, we need to look for this. This column might be a problem with this equipment. So when we walk in a building, the first thing we're checking is overhead clearances and column locations and things that we may not have seen on our drawing that we had.
As we got on site and looked at the available space, we noticed that we were up against a building wall on one side of the application. Well, the beauty of robotics is the flexibility of being able to design a system around fixtures in the building. So as we laid out the system, we decided instead of putting a fence on one side of the system and to maintain the aisle between our equipment and the other equipment, we decided to use the wall as the safety fence on one side of our system.